All these tears falling, would've thought it was rain, yeah.
Turn it up.
Sleazy baby, sleazy baby, yeah. All these tears falling, you would've thought it was rain. Don't know why I had this phone, because it don't even rain. All these tears falling, you would've thought it was rain. Don't know why I had this phone, because it don't even rain. Like, why should I keep living it all when this life brings me pain? How can I give it to God when He don't hear when I pray? All these tears falling, would've thought it was rain. Don't know why I had this phone, because it don't even rain. Why should I keep living it all when this life brings me pain? How can I give it to God when He don't hear when I pray? As I sit here alone and I start to think about my little son, that's the only reason I stay. But I just can't help these thoughts that cloud up my brain. All these tears on my face that keep falling like rain. How could I love this life when it keeps causing me pain? I've been begging for help, but I never get saved. Asking for God Himself as I break down and pray. I've been looking for light in some of my darkest days. Yeah, the devil's a lie, but he kept on tricking me. I wanna blame someone else, but maybe it's all of me. It's all of me. All honesty, this ain't who I'm meant to be. Telling y'all how I feel, and I'm being real as I ever could be. Wearing my heart on my sleeve, because living a lot just isn't sleeves. I've been begging God, I'm down on my knees. If you see me calling, I hope you answer me. All these tears falling, would've thought it was rain. Don't know why I had this phone, because it don't even rain. Like, why should I keep living it up when this life bring me pain? How can I give it to God when He don't? Yeah. All these tears falling, would've thought it was rain. Don't know why I had this phone, because it don't even rain. Like, why should I keep living it up when this life bring me pain? How can I give it to God when He don't hear when I pray? Like, all these tears falling, would've thought it was rain. Don't know why I had this phone, because it don't even rain. Like, why should I keep living it all when this life bring me pain? How can I give it to God when He don't hear when I pray? Falling like rain. Yeah, when I pray. Why do I have this phone? It don't even rain. How do I give it to God when He don't hear I pray? I pray. All these tears falling, you would've thought it was rain. Don't know why I had this phone, because it don't even rain. Why should I live it all when this life bring me pain? How can I give it to God when He don't hear when I pray? Do you hear when I pray? Listen to what I say. I hope you feel this deep in your soul. I hope you feel all my pain. All these tears falling, you would've thought it was rain.